Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now, let us discuss about silk. Silk is a natural protein fiber. Some forms of silk which can be woven into textiles. The protein fiber of silk is composed mainly of fibroin and it is produced by certain insects larvae to form cocoons. These are the different types of silkworms produced different silks in terms of luster and textile. Examples Tassar silk, Muga silk, Kosa silk, etc. are produced by different types of silk moth. Mulberry silk is the most common silk moth. The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called as sericulture. Silk was discovered in China around 3500 BC. Silkworms are reared on mulberry leaves as they feed on mulberry leaves. Let us discuss the life cycle of silkworm. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of silk moth and these are called as egg, larva, pupa and adult. Female silk moth. The female silk moth lays eggs after about 14 days and the eggs are hatched into the larva called caterpillar. Then it grows into pupa, then it secretes fiber made of protein and weaves the fibers around itself completely. This covering is called as cocoon. Lives in the cocoon for some time. After coming out, cocoons grow into a silk moth. Let us discuss in detail about the stages in silk moth. Stage 1. An egg is the first stage of the life cycle of the silkworm. The egg is laid by a female moth which is mostly the size of small dots. A female moth lays more than 350 eggs at a time. In the spring times, the egg hatches due to the warmth in the air. This procedure happens once in every year. Stage 2. Silkworm. A hairy silkworm arises after the egg cracks. In this stage of silkworms, the growth happens. They feed on mulberry leaves and consume a large amount of these leaves around 30 days before going to the next stage. Stage 3. Cocoon. In this stage, silkworms spin like a protective cocoon around itself. It is the size of a small cotton ball and it is made up of a single thread of silk. Stage 3. Cocoon. In this stage, the silkworms spin in a protective cocoon around itself. Cocoon is the size of a small cotton ball and it is made up of a single thread of silk. Stage 4. Pupa. The pupa stage is a motionless stage. In this stage, people kill the pupa by pulling the cocoons into boiling water and unwinded the silk thread. Stage 5. Moth. In this stage, the pupa changes into an adult moth. The female moth lays eggs after hatching and thus the life cycle of silkworms begins again. Silk moth to silk. After they are laid by the silk moth, eggs are stored over a clean cloth and paper strips. When the larvae are hatched from the eggs, they are kept in a clean bamboo trays with fresh leaves of mulberry. The larvae feed on mulberry leaves for about 20 to 25 days. After that, the larvae move into the tiny chambers of bamboo in which they are starting spinning cocoons. They do it by secreting liquid protein from their salivary glands. Finally, they enclosed themselves in a cocoons. Cocoon gets hardened because with exposure to air. Let us discuss the process of obtaining silk from silk moth. The process of keeping, feeding, breeding and taking medical care for useful animals is called rearing of animals. Reeling and dyeing. Cocoons of silk moth are used to obtain the silk fibers. These cocoons are kept under the sun or boiled or exposed to steam. The silk fibers is then separated. This process of obtaining silk from the cocoons is called as reeling the silk. Thank you.